Okay, go ahead. Still walking, still walking. There's a snowstorm. We're at the base of Buttermilk, which is the home of the X Games. There she goes. She's turning both ways. Look at those turns. Now she's speeding past me. You want me to be next to you?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta come past me so I can be on that side. Watch where you're going, my love. Now we're in the half pipe. Right here. Did you get stuck? I'm just gonna turn around. You might have to do the duck walk. Whoa, Nelly. Because I don't have my pole here to pull you.
Yeah, because your toes are down. Right, Mommy?
So are you a great skier now? Can you tell me how you ski? No? Okay, well, I love you. I'm turning the video off now.